so big, so much to do and see.
Let's go see.
I'm a young prospector, prodigy. I can't succeed in being you.
So what to do?
So you be you and I'll be me. I'll be me. I just like you, I'm gonna be me.
Kujo, Kujo,
Just like you, I'm gonna be me.
Kujo, Kujo, Kujo. Kujo, Kujo,
Just like you, I'm gonna be me.
Kujo, Kujo, Kujo.
Well, hello, friends. So glad that you can join us today. It looks like we have a message from one of our special viewers on the computer. Let's see who it is.
Hi Kujo, my name is Yaira and I'm 6 years old. And I want to know how we make plantain.
Thank you so much for your question. Let's try to figure this out together. Today, we're gonna learn about plantain. Well, what exactly is plantain? Plantain is a type of banana. It's from the banana family, except there's two ways of being able to tell plantain from a regular banana. Do you want to find out? Okay, let me tell you. So this is the first way. Plantain is usually much larger than a regular banana. And then the second way is that the skin is much tougher and harder than a regular banana. So when you have a regular banana, you can usually peel it and then you can eat it and it's very sweet. But plantain isn't quite the same way. If you peel it and you eat it, it's not gonna taste the same way when it's raw. So that's why we need to fry it, bake it, or boil it. Frying it, personally, is my favorite thing in the world because when it's ripe and you put a little bit of garlic and a little bit of salt and a little bit of onion salt, mwah, it's fantastic. Okay, so the plantain is from the banana family. We figured that out. Okay, but where does plantain grow? Plantain grows in Africa, in India, in the Philippines, and in South and Central America are different places that you can find plantain, and it's native to there. Okay, what are we gonna need in order to cook this plantain? Great question. So we're gonna need plantain, of course, and we're gonna need a pan, spatula, olive oil, salt, onion salt, probably garlic salt, a little bit of olive or vegetable oil, it's your choice. Paper towels to dry and dampen it afterwards when it finished cooking to get rid of the excess of oil, and a plate in order to put this on top of. You want to probably cook it at a low to medium temperature because you don't want to cook it too high because it will burn. Oh yeah, and I can't forget, any single time we do any kind of activity, we want to make sure that we have an adult that's present in order to monitor us as we're completing this. All right, come and follow me. We cut the skin off of the plantain till you see the yellow of the banana. Then we cut the plantain into diamonds and season them with garlic salt, with onion salt, and with sea salt. We pour little oil into a frying pan at a low to medium temperature. And we cook it until it's golden brown on both sides. We turn the stove off and remove the plantain with a spatula, and we put them into a paper towel to take off the excessive oil. We wait till it cools off and then we serve it. How delicious and how yummy do those look like when you have some nice fried plantain to eat? Oh, there's nothing better in the world than fried plantain, I'm telling you. Great question, Yaira, on how to fried plantain. Hopefully you learn the difference between what a regular banana looks like and what a plantain banana looks like. Great question. Please keep them coming. If you have a question that you want to go ahead and ask me, please shoot a video stating your name, your age, your location, and of course, don't forget to ask your question. Your parents can join in on the fun as well. Send your video at the email address below, and we'll do our best to answer all of your curious questions. It's time for me to go, but I'm looking forward to seeing you all really soon. Remember to be kind, be brave, and to be curious. But most importantly, is to be yourself. If you like our videos, please click on the subscribe button. And don't forget to follow us on YouTube, on Twitter, on Instagram, and on Facebook. For more information about our show, please visit us at kujoskidzone.com. Bye for now.
So big, so much to do and see.
Let's go see.
I'm a young prospector, prodigy.
A prodigy, a prodigy.
I can't succeed in being you.
So what to do?
So you be you and I'll be me, I'll be me.